This is a Rheem or a Ruud, very small unit. It's probably a 2.5 ton, and yeah, you can see the fan's kind of screwed up. I don't see an ID label on it, and I can't get back here because I don't feel like walking, but it's got a reciprocating compressor, I think, and the lines go up and in the attic. Yeah, way back here is the stick. Remember that old Rheem that was kind of smashed in? Well, it's been replaced with a Goodman straight cool GSC13036 3-ton. And it's fairly decent. It's R22. And it's 2011 model, 0511 it was made. So yeah, same old line set. Oh no, it's not the same old line set. That line set been cut, I think. No, it goes underground, but yeah, brand new Goodman. This has been an Xctome video production.